Today we're out 281 off Mountain Lodge Road and the Vias at Mountain Lodge. We're at 227 Mountain Mist. We're gonna go in here and take a look at this property. It's for rent. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. Has a lot of living space. Let's go in here and take a look at this. Square footage here is approximately 2,247, built in 2006. We're going to spin around here and look at the entry. Nice large entry. You're going to have your dining area here on the left as you come in. Does have 2 eating areas. We'll get to that second one in a second. This is going to be your living space downstairs. There is a loft upstairs or game room. And so that'll be your second living area. Nice large kitchen with your island here in the center. This is going to be your breakfast area. Take a look out back here. It does have a deck here for entertaining. Good sized yard as well. Greenbelt behind you here. This property is out in the Northeast ISD. If you're wondering about the schools. Right through here you're going to have your pantry. Half bath is here on the left. This goes right into your laundry area. Out into the garage, we'll take a look at that. It does have a garage door opener. Does also have a water softener. One more look here at the kitchen. Gas cooking, gas water heater. This house has ceramic tile and laminate flooring throughout. There's no carpet here. Right up into the game room or loft. Second living space right here. Plenty of space throughout this property. We'll go look at the secondary bedrooms here and the second bath before we get to the master. These 2 bedrooms here are approximately 10 by 13, 10 by 14. This one's the smaller of the 2. They're kind of identical, one's just a little bit bigger. And into the master bedroom. Master's a really good size, approximately 19 by 20. Plenty of windows throughout this house if you like to open them up, if you like light. This master, you can have your bed, you can have another sitting area. It's usually you don't find a master that big, but that's a good sized master. Into the master bath, double vanities. You can take a bath or a shower. It does have both here. Ceramic tile here. Your toilet's going to be there in its own little space. Into the closet. Let's step in here. Take a look at this. All right. So there's a quick trip to this property located 2227 Mountain Mist. It's in the Vias at Mountain Lodge. Approximate square footage 2,247. Built in 2006. It's in the Northeast Independent School District. If you have any questions, or if you want to come see the property, you can call Liberty Management at 210-681-8080. Mark Fee is also available. He knows a lot about this property. His number is 210-618-9161. Once again, 2227 Mountain Mist. This is out 281 outside of Loop 1604, right off Mountain Lodge Road, off Wilderness Oak, Canyon Golf Road, out that way. Okay? So thank you for watching.